How to get verified on Twitch in a few simple steps. If you are wondering how to get verified on Twitch, the simple answer is becoming a Twitch partner. Now there are two ways to become a Twitch partner. Let's explore both of them. Method 1. Work extensively on your Twitch channel. The most popular and simple way to get your Twitch account verified is by growing your Twitch channel. Twitch has set certain criteria for streamers to achieve this feat. Here's a quick look on what are the criteria for becoming a Twitch partner. 1. 25-hour streaming. This is the first and foremost requirement. To become a verified Twitch streamer, you must stream for 25 hours. 2. Consistent streaming for 12 days is another key factor for becoming a Twitch partner. You can't just complete your streaming target of 25 hours in 2 days. You have to stream consistently for 12 different days. 3. 75 viewers on average. If you want Twitch to make you a partner, it needs to verify that you are creating content that attracts viewers consistently. So, you will have to achieve 75 viewers on average. You can apply to become a Twitch partner once you fulfill these criteria. And once your application is approved, you can get a verified badge on Twitch. Method 2. Utilize your social media popularity. If you are hugely popular on multiple social media platforms or are on other streaming platforms, Twitch has something great to offer. You can easily leverage this popularity to get a verified badge on Twitch. All you have to do is fill out this application form and submit it to Twitch support. Once they go through your detail, verify them and are satisfied with all your details, they can directly offer you a verified badge. But as we mentioned earlier, you need a massive following on those platforms to get verified via this method. For more Twitch-related content, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out followerspanda.com. Thank you.